If you're wondering how to boost immune system, you have found the ideal place. This article is here to help you boost your immune system. The immune system is one of the most important parts of our body and is very vital in keeping our body healthy. However, the immune system can get affected by several factors like unhealthy lifestyle, environmental factors and genetics. Even though the immune system is quite strong, it gets weak as a result of these factors. Normally, the immune system is kept in check when there's an imbalance in the blood count of the body. If this condition is not addressed, the body will lose its capacity to fight any disease and diseases and could be vulnerable to attack from bacteria, viruses and allergies. This is one of the reasons why a healthy lifestyle is highly recommended. The way to boost immune system is often asked by many individuals because they want to keep their health or to better their health. There are a lot of foods available in the marketplace which claim to be a healthy food. However, it is always advisable to take foods with less sugar content. These foods contain vitamins that can assist you in boosting the immune system. Another way of how to boost immune system is to acquire more water. Water is the very best agent that assists in eliminating toxins and wastes out of the body. When you drink water frequently, the body gets cleansed and the toxins or waste will be flushed out in the body. This is also beneficial for people that suffer from chronic illness because the body will find the proper nutrients that is required to fight against the disease. You should also try to get enough sleep because it is also called the master of the immune system. Lack of sleep affects the functioning of the immune system and causes it to weaken. One way of how to boost immune system would be to have certain organic substances in your diet. These substances include vitamin C, vitamin E, lycopene, beta-carotene, resveratrol, fatty acids, etc. All these substances are able to strengthen the immune system and strengthen it against the many infections and diseases. It is important that you learn how to boost immune system and lead a healthy life. This won't only protect your body but also give you and your loved ones the protection from various diseases.